everyone, I welcome you to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be using rice, and rice has many properties that makes it an excellent addition to your skin and hair care regimen. It is loaded with vitamins, minerals, amino acids, and are essential for maintaining healthy, beautiful skin. Rice water contains the nourishing antioxidant ferulic acid, as well as allantoin, an organic compound that helps soothe and heal skin. So in making this, I'm going to be actually soaking it, but before I soak it, I need to wash it thoroughly. So I'm going to go ahead and put some water in it. I'm just going to go ahead and run some water into it because I have quite a large content right here of rice. That's because, you know, I plan to use it for something else. But So I'm starting by washing and rinsing the rice under water. Here it is. I already put water in it. So as you can see, it's already changing color, but I'm just rinsing it right now. So to remove dirt and impurities that might be clinging to it. So I rinse it off. I just remove the water. So now I can put another water in it. So I'm running another water into it. And this is the one I'm going to use. So I'm going to soak the rice. So now I'm going to leave the rice soaked for the next 30 minutes. Because what I need in it is the water that will, and the water will change, will turn to the color that I really wanted. So I'm going to keep it soaked for another 30 minutes. And when it is ready, I will show you guys what I do. I'm going to strain it, actually. I'll strain the rice from the rice water, and separate it from the rice water, and then pour the rice water into a container. That is what I need. And then from then there are two other things I'm going to add to it, to the rice water, but I'll let you guys know when we get to that point. Okay, so now the rice is ready. Here's the water. I'm going to strain this water off the rice, and that's what I'm going to be needing. So I have my strainer right here. I'm going to strain the water into this measuring cup. Okay, now here's the water from the rice, and that is after it has been soaking for over 30 minutes. So at this point, I have two things I'm going to add to it. And one of them is vitamin E oil, and the other one is my rose water. So at this point, I'm just going to put a little drop of my rose water into it. This is rose water. I actually made another. Rose water is made out of soaking rose petals, and it has been around since the ancient days. It's used to soothe and rejuvenate skin, and it can act as an antiseptic properties. And it's used to add glow to skin. So I'm going to actually put a drop of it, but I will not put the drop until I actually put my water, my rice water, in this little container right here. That's where I'll put my rose water. Okay, so let me go ahead and put this little, I'll put my water in here since I already have this thing. so that I'll be able to spray using it. Okay, so I'm just going to put a drop, like maybe a quarter of a spoon, half a teaspoon of rose water. This is half a teaspoon of rose water goes into my rice water right here. This is going to be excellent spray for your face. It has astringent in it too. That will suit your skin, and it's what will make your skin glow beautifully. Okay, the last thing I wanted to use is my vitamin E oil, and I have this vitamin E oil that is like 5,000 IU. Okay, this is a huge. So the vitamin E oil will help you maintain the balance in your skin, and it will keep your skin well suited, and you know it will moisturize your skin constantly. So I only need a tiny drop of this in my rice water. Okay, that's enough. That's all I need. Okay, and now I'll shake this up. This is excellent spray for your face. Right before you actually put, before you put on your moisturizer. Once you finish taking a shower, and you dry yourself up, before you put on your moisturizer, you can use this one to actually cleanse as a cleanser for your face, and it will make your face glowing, beautiful, rejuvenating, looking so much like a youthful skin always. So please subscribe to my channel, like my video, and share this video with everybody. We are not perfect. We're going to continue to try to do the right thing as we continue. So please subscribe to my channel, thumbs up the channel, thumbs up the video, and also look at scroll down, you'll see the subscription button. Subscribe to the channel, and also turn on the notification bell so that you'll be able to get any other subsequent videos that instantly. As soon as we upload our videos, you will get one. And may I tell you, this is going to be very useful for you. And we all use this in our house all the time. So next time you want to cook your rice, make sure you rinse it, save some of the water. And even if you don't put vitamin E oil, even if you don't put rose water, may I tell you, this oil, just the rice water, it is more than enough to help you with your skin. It will make your skin looking youthful. It will make your skin looking beautiful and glowing at the same time. Thank you. You have a wonderful one.